Good day to all of you and to everyone.
Hello guys!
Hello everyone!
Here we are going to demonstrate the crossover cable. So as usual in demonstrating the straight-through cable, we have the following requirements needed on demonstrating it. First is the crimping tool. It is used for cutting and peeling the wire. Second is the UTP cable category 5. Then the third one is the RJ45 connector plug. So let's start with our demonstration. First step in demonstrating the crossover cable is to peel it off the end of the cable by using the crimping tool. So as you can see, it will inserted on the crimping tool. Then after inserted, it will twisted to release the cable. So after peeling it off, then we will now retwist the cable to make it straight. So as you can see, there are 4 twisted per cable, so it will untwisted to have an individual segments of it. So here we go. We are now untwisted the color coded cables on the UTP cable. Ayan. So alright. So after we separate the color coded cable, we will now straighten it to make it easy for us to insert it on a RJ45 connector plug. So after we straighten it up, we will now arrange them up according to its order. So first we have the white green. The second one is the solid green. The third one is the white orange. The fourth one is blue. Then the fifth one is the white blue. The sixth arrangement is orange. The seventh arrangement is white brown. And then the last arrangement for our crossover is brown. So here we go. We are now arrange it according to its proper order. So by using crimping tool, so I will repeat the proper arrangement of the colors. First is white green. The second one is green. Third one is white orange. Fourth one is blue. The fifth is white blue. Sixth arrangement is orange. Then the seventh one is the white brown. And lastly, the brown. So after we arrange the colors, we will now crimp it again to get the proper size and cut of each white. Here we are. Yeah. So after we cut it according to its size, we will now insert it in on a RJ45 plug. So quick insert, then okay. So all of the colored cables are now inserted on a corresponding pin. So in RJ45 there are 8 pins according to its color. So again we will crimp it again to tightly attach all of. So after we insert all of the colored cable, so we will crimp it again to tightly attach all of the colored cable to a corresponding pins. So here, so tightly attach, then okay. So the first end of our cable has now attached in a colored pin. So we will proceed now to the second end of our cable. So by this time we will now arrange it. We will now crimp it again the UTP, twisted it to release the skin of it. So after we cut or peel the UTP cable, we will now release the. So after we peel it off, we will now separate all of those colored UTP cables individually. So after separating it, we will now straighten it up to make it straighten before we attaching it on an RJ45 connector. Alright. So after we separate all those colored cables, we will now proceed on the proper arrangement of it. So in the second end of our cable, these are the arrangement of colors. First is white-orange. Second is orange. Third is white-green. The fourth arrangement is the white-brown. The fifth is brown. Sixth arrangement is green. The seventh arrangement is blue. Then lastly is white. So I will repeat again the proper order of our cable. First is white-orange. Second is orange. Third is white-green. Fourth is white-brown. Fifth is brown. Sixth is green. 7 is blue. And lastly, white-blue. So, as usual, we will cut it the excess of the colored cables by using crimping tool. So, here we are. So, again, all of those colored cables we will now insert it on a RJ45 connector plug. So we will now ready to attach it on a RJ45 connector plug. Here we are. So we will now crimp it again to tightly attach the colored cables by using crimping tool again. So there you have it. We now done on demonstrating our crossover cable by using crimping tool, RJ45 and UTP cut pipe kit. So after we demonstrating the crossover cable, I will now further discuss what are the uses of crossover cable. First is, the most important thing when it comes to crossover cable is the crossover cable can connect to computer networks computers directly or simultaneously. And the crossover cable can connect to networking media devices by the same time. For example, It can connect via workstation to workstation, switch to switch, hub to hub, router to router, router to personal computer or PC, and switch to hub. So there you have it. There you have it that I've been discussing for you the importance of crossover cable. So this we conclude on our tutorial regarding on how to demonstrate a crossover cable. Thanks for watching.